Morning, my name is Al. I'm the inventor of this sort of neat machine. I call it the Power Jig. It's made in a little town just outside of Wanaka, the Big Island of Hawaii, windward side. Anyhow, what this video is doing is going to show you how to use this thing for bottom fishing or ice fishing. What you have a motor drive, you have a tapered plug, and you have a threaded bar. And the reason you have threaded bar and the tapered plug is so you can adjust to just about any rod holder. And you have a flat bar, and you have a switch. That switch has high and low speed on it. Now, at the end of the jig, you see an adapter, what I call a wand. And at the end of the wand, you have this brass fitting here with a thumb screw on it. And you can put that along here and get different sweeps on this thing. You get a maximum sweep of about 30 inches, and you can get all the way down to where you're just sweeping back and forth like 4 or 5 inches. You have a lot of adjustment there. I'm going to put this thing in now. I'm going to show you what it's like to turn the thing on. I'm back with my power jig. I'm showing it installed in a typical rod holder. As I said, this is adjustable to just about any kind of rod holder with different diameters and different lengths. It comes with a weatherproof electrical connection, and I'm just hooking the thing up to a small 12-volt battery right now. Now, what you're going to do, you're going to simply pull the line of the fishing rod. So I'm going to put a rod in here, and here's your line, and you're going to have your jig at the end of this line. You simply take your Scotty clip, attach it to the line, like that, and you turn the thing on, and unput this, run it without it. What happens is, that's high speed. And what that's doing is taking about, I'm set right now about 28 inches, and just jigging your jig up and down. You're either on the bottom, you're bottom fishing, you're ice fishing. Now, I run mine at low speed for trolling. It's low speed right there. Now when the fish hits, the Scotty clip simply breaks free, line gets tight, and you land your fish. This is just going to be a short video saying what you actually get when you buy one of these. Now the selling cost of this is $349. And essentially when you're through assembling, you're going to have something that looks pretty much identical to this. And these are the parts. First of all, and probably foremost, you have a very complete operating manual. What this does, gives you your wiring diagrams for your 3 basic modes of wiring, very good parts description. I can usually, along with this manual, put one of these together to this point in about 10 minutes. Now I have been doing it for a couple of years, so double that for your normal buyer. So, along with your weatherproof motor, you have your mounting. Now your mounting consists of 3 major parts. This part matches to this with grooves at 9-degree increments. Now the reason for that is I found when fish hit, no matter how tight I made on this, they had a tendency to move, and those grooves got rid of that. I hold that all together with a stainless steel 1/2-inch bolt and lock nut. Now onto the bar, you have a Carlin marine switch and a weatherproof cap fits into that. Now that switch gives you low speed, high speed, and off. Now you also have park, so you could have like low speed and park and off. All depends on how you want to wire it, and once again the manual tells you how to do that. Now this part here is what I call the wand. The wand is what rotates back and forth and gives you your jigging action. Now, if you take the wand and adjust it up to here, tighten up your thumb screw, you'll get almost 30 inches of pull back and forth. Or you can come all the way down here and get just a few inches. Give you some idea on torque. If you set this at 1 foot, you'll be able to pull 4.5 pounds. You have a eye bolt, which I use for a lanyard, and of course your Scotty clip. And then some of the minor parts, you have a weatherproof male and female electrical connection, your crimp ties for your wiring, cable shielding, and 2 cable ties that fit through these holes and hold the wire tied to this bar. And that's about it. Thank you.